Members of the royal family have had long links with hundreds of charities, professional bodies and organizations, as well as associations with the military. However, over recent months, there has been a crisis around patronages at the palace. This has been sparked by Meghan and Harry's departure from the firm, Prince Andrew withdrawing from royal life and the death of Prince Philip. However, at 95, the Queen still holds hundreds of royal roles and has never once complained about her workload. Now, in what could be seen as a subtle dig to the Sussexes, Buckingham Palace has celebrated the work of Britain's longest reigning monarch. The palace tweeted, "The Queen is patron of over 500 organisations and charities. Among them are a number of musical institutions including at London Symphony, at Royal Choral and the patronages Society, which encourages the study of the classical music of the bagpipe." They highlighted the work of Help Musicians UK, in which the Queen is the charity's patron. They added, "Her Majesty the Queen, the charity's patron, has long supported musical institutions and has regularly attended events in support of musicians throughout her reign." Meghan and Harry's departure from the firm means their patronages will eventually have to be handed out to other working members of the royal family or fall out of use entirely. Following Prince Philip's death in April, his patronages will now need to be redistributed or disappear. Back in February, Meghan and Harry had their official patronages removed for good after they announced they would not return as official working royals. The royal family issued a statement, saying, "The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have confirmed to Her Majesty the Queen that they will not be returning as working members of the royal family." Following conversations with the Duke, the Queen has written confirming that in stepping away from the work of the royal family it is not possible to continue with the responsibilities and duties that come with a life of public service. The honorary military appointments and royal patronages held by the Duke and Duchess will therefore be returned to Her Majesty, before being redistributed among working members of the royal family. While all are saddened by their decision, the Duke and Duchess remain much loved members of the family. Related articles: Prince Harry and Meghan labelled out of touch over private jets. Prince Harry unquestionably changed by Meghan Markle. William and Harry are on good terms, says royal biographer.